Thanks.
Thank you. Great service.
Okay, this is unloading the garage door. We're here at the job here. We're going to be taking out this garage door opener up here. You notice a sticker on there, and this job doesn't have any sensors on it. We're going to add the sensors. Right now, let's see what time it is. It's 4:17, and I'll go ahead and clue you in on the time when we're gonna, and we're gonna be training a guy today. So most of the time when you train someone, it takes a little bit longer, but he's right here, the trainee, the young man.
You just pull them like this?
Yeah, no, lift up on each one and just pull up. These are the professional line garage door openers. And these aren't the ones you buy at Home Depot. These are the ones that you actually, the dealers would be buying. But you can also do the ones at Home Depot. The only difference is you would have to put this rail together. It's not put together for you. They come in about 4 different pieces at Home Depot, 3 or 4. And then they make them small enough so you can fit them into this box right here. The ones at Home Depot come in a box about this big. So these ones are LiftMaster, and these are the professional line LiftMaster. You might be able to see somewhere where it says professional on it. They used to say professional, but they don't anymore. So anyway, this is the openers here. Pull the whole thing out.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Well, you just tighten this up. I'll show you how to do it. You go right about here, and then you stick your screwdriver in there. That's the tensioner. It's hardware put together. We're going to take down this, and we're going to put that one up in its place. Put it down there somewhere. Okay, now these are the sensors. We're putting those on. We've already got one on over there. And then let me make sure on this, since we're doing the training, I gotta make sure this is right. Then you want to go over to the track. What's your foot there? And then you want to snap it on, just like that. Then what I do, I normally, see how we spooled the wire? I get one in here, and then I just go down to this one, and then I can go up here now. Okay, we got these things up and over here. Now we're going to close the door. Okay. Okay, that's the time now, 5:54. And I had to take down a whole thing, run all new wires, new cameras. Normally you don't have to do. Here's the opener up here. It's installed. Here's the remote. Today was a training day where I trained my son how to do this. And then there's the door closing. And there's it opening. So that took about, do the math. Thanks.
Thank you. Great service.
Okay, we got $1,500 for that job, and that was the balance of paid $489. Okay, this was the job we just did. This was $1,500, $489, $1,011 was the balance. And if you look at the street, was Courtney Street on there. And you can come down here and you can look at the street up there, if you can see it, is Courtney Street.
If you want
want to get in this business, I highly recommend this garage door trade. People are calling every day. Their garage won't open, the cable broke, the spring broke. People are always wanting their door fixed. They're backing into their doors. They comes off the track. You know, the doors fall off the track. So if you guys want to learn this business, we have a great opportunity for anybody. Even women can do this. It's not a heavy job. It's basically working with your hands at eye level, most of the stuff. You're not reaching, you're not kneeling down. Maybe once in a while you might have to, but the majority of the time you're on your feet. Everything is within reach of you. It's not a strenuous job at all. It's better to be in shape, but I mean, anyone can do it. Not that I'm in good shape, but if I can do it, you can do it. You get certified, you show up to their house, you're the pro, you're the expert, they're happy to see you. They'll pay you basically anything you want. They just want to get their door fixed and working again, and they want to either get their car out or they want to go to work or whatever the situation is. They always are happy to see you. So get involved. Sign up, garagedoortrainingschool.com. You can get certified. Once you're certified, you'll have the knowledge, you'll have the confidence to go do this kind of repairs. You're not going to get it by sitting there on the couch, and nobody's going to teach you. I wouldn't take you out to teach you how to do this business, and you're not going to know anything. And most people that do piecework, they just don't want to drive around with someone all day teaching them. And most of the time, the person ends up quitting and doing the work for themselves. I'd feel like I was wasting my time the same way everybody else does. So you can learn this business, in 30 days, you could be in business. You can get your business license, you can get the accreditation, you can get the experience. If you already have a truck, I don't know if you have a truck, you can use a van, whatever you want to use. And you can be in business in 30 days making this kind of money. This business is a gold mine, and nobody will tell you about it, because they're all making so much money in it, they don't want you to know about it. But I'm telling you, this is a hidden jewel that nobody's going to ever tell you about. You just need to learn how to, work with the cables and the springs, which to a layman person, they sound complicated. They look dangerous and all that. But once you know this stuff, it's like I could do this in the dark. I've actually done them in the dark. People have a power failure sometimes. They've had a power failure in the rain. And I'm in the garage and the lights go out and I can still wind the springs, I know where everything is. It's like dancing. I don't even have to think. I have women all the time, they try to call their handyman. And I've had the same thing said to me over and over by women especially. They say, oh, I called my handyman, but he didn't want to touch it. He doesn't know how to work on garage doors, so they recommended calling a garage door guy. Nobody really knows how to work on these. Even contractors, they will try every part of the house. They'll sheetrock, they'll put in the ovens, they'll run the electrical, they'll build the foundations, they'll frame up, they'll put in the interior doors, the front doors. But when it comes to the garage door, never will they do it. They're going to always call a garage door guy because even they don't want to mess with the springs or the cables and all that. So you are a specialty trade almost like an elevator guy. You know it goes up and down, but you would never try to attempt to put one in case you did something wrong. It's the same thing with the garage doors. They don't understand them enough. They'd rather have a professional go out there and deal with it. It's the same thing with homeowners. 9 out of 10 homeowners don't even know who to call. I mean, when they find you and they Google you or they have a coupon, they see you do it and their door's not working good or their door breaks, they remember they have the coupon or they look you up and you're online there, they're going to call you. You're going to be happy they got a hold of someone because they didn't know who to call, or you get recommended. I'm telling you, garage doors is the best specialty trade, and there's a lot of business in it. I'm telling you, this is the best opportunity for anybody looking to make a lot of money doing basically a specialty trade job where not everybody can do it. If you learn this trade, you're going to be definitely getting calls. If you advertise or you send out any type of flyers, you're going to be getting calls. It's not whether I might get calls. You will get calls. And a lot of garage door companies, when they know you do it, they're going to run into you when you're picking up parts, or they're going to see your truck when it has the lettering on it, or they're going to ask you if you hang doors or you repair, can you work for them? You're going to be getting approached by everybody you see. So you'll see it's kind of weird. You're going to all of a sudden be a popular guy once they know you do garage door. and you'll be calling me and thanking me that you listened to this commercial. And everything I'm telling you right now, you're going to say is absolutely the truth. You know, I can't even get out of this business. It's so good. Well, I've been doing it almost 40 years. I'm still doing it. If a business is good, you stay in it. I mean, my spare time, I'd rather go make money. So, and I'm telling you, if it was hard, I wouldn't be doing this today on a Saturday. So, it's not hard, and there's good money. If I can go make $1,200 to $1,500 in 20 minutes work, I'm going to go do it. I mean, rather than sitting around, it's almost like, why retire? So, I'd rather do this than to sit around. This is more rewarding for me. I actually like repairing garage doors, believe it or not. So anyway, you guys need to pay attention to what I'm telling you, because a business like this, there's really none out there. We've tried to think of any business. We've sat down and tried to think any business that pays like this, is this quick, and it fulfills every need that you want in a business. I mean, everything is good about it. You get paid on every job right away, good money. There's a lot of work. It's easy. You back right up to the door. You don't have to go upstairs or, crawl under houses or go up on the roof. You don't have to work in the rain. Everything about this business is a positive. Garage door never slows down. Garage door repairs. There's every day, it's the same thing. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's winter, summer, night, day. Springs are breaking every time you open the door. Springs are breaking all over. Like, since I've been talking, just in this one area I'm in right now, probably 20 springs broke. They all need to be repaired. The only way you're going to really learn this the right way is to get online and sign up for that class, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. At the end, you'll get a certification with your name and everything on it. You'll also learn the most common repairs. You'll learn how to hang a door, hang an opener. You'll learn every type of thing there is that comes up in the garage door industry, like jobs I'm going on today. You see, you can make this back in, one call or 2 calls. You can make that tuition fee back. So get involved. Sign up, garagedoortrainingschool.com. You can get certified.